Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change favorite genres in Creator Connect on BandLab. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on bandlab.com and then select this profile icon which is on your top left corner. Now you need to select this edit icon. Now select Creator Connect. Now scroll down till the last and you can change the favorite genres according to yourself, and after that you need to again scroll down till the last and then select on update. Now as you guys can see that the profile has been updated. So that's how you guys can successfully change your favorite genres in Creator Connect on BandLab. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.